Have you been stuck at home during quarantine and found out that the house that you're in isn't quite big enough for you and your entire family? Are your kids distance learning while you're trying to meet your boss's deadline in the same office? It doesn't quite work, does it? But guess what? I think I may have found the perfect home for you and your family that's still affordable, and that tour is coming up next. Hey everybody, welcome back to another YouTube video. My name is MJ. I'm a realtor out here in Las Vegas working under the Berkshire Hathaway brand. And here on this channel, we tour all around the Las Vegas Valley looking at brand new model homes and existing inventory. Also, you don't have to make your shopping experience for your next home all the more easy. If this is the first time we've met here on this channel, I appreciate you stopping by to check it out. If you do enjoy content like this, please consider subscribing as I upload new content every Friday. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and that bell notification so you don't miss a single upload. And on today's video, I'm excited to take you back out to the Northwest Las Vegas Valley to check out the largest of 5 model homes built by KB Home out at the reserves at Montecito. This neighborhood is super convenient to everything. There's a park right across the street, the hospital's close by, there's banks, there's shopping, there's a transit center. Anything you need is really close by, and there's easy freeway access as well. So what do you think? Should we jump out there and take a look at this model? I think so. Let's go. Right, everybody, welcome back to the reserves at Montecito. This neighborhood is built by KB Home. This home is a 2-story home, 4 to 5 bedrooms, 2.5 to 5 bathrooms, 2-car garage, all starting at $387,990. The pavers you're seeing there on the driveway and the walkway are going to be included, as well as the front landscaping and drip irrigation system. We have 3 elevations to choose from. As you notice, there's a white blob on the screen there. That's covering up the square footage. What we're doing today is I'm going to let you guys guess and see how big this house is just by viewing this video. And let me know in the comments below what you think the size is and if you were right. I'll be showing it at the end of the video, so make sure you stick around and see how big it actually is. As we enter the home, it has a really nice entryway. Got a vaulted ceiling as you walk in. This home is upgraded substantially. There's a lot of options in this home. I'm undoubtedly going to miss something, so but I'll do my best to let you guys know what is included, what isn't, and what the options might be. The railing on the stairwell was an upgrade. You have design choices at the design studio there. This particular home is built out with the half bathroom here, as well as the coat closet. You have a few different options with the bedroom off to the left over here and the garage. So you'll have option of a full bathroom there. You can do extra storage. There's a lot of different stuff here. Looking over in the great room here, I love the separation of the kitchen, the living, and the dining area. This is actually a very nice sized room. You certainly have more than enough room for your entire family in this home. Now with these new homes, you choose your lot within the community. The size of the lot determines the lot premium, and that will be added onto the price of the home. Once you go to the design studio and choose all your options, you'll have a final price on the home, which will be all added together. If you do decide to go this route, make sure you don't go too crazy at the design studio. You want to make sure your house still appraises. You can get the loan that you need. Moving over to the kitchen here, we have a few options in here. I love the hickory cabinets in this particular one. You have a nice size pantry there. The home will come with black or white Whirlpool appliances. That's your choice. You could definitely upgrade to stainless if you choose to. This particular kitchen is built out as the quote-unquote gourmet kitchen, so you see the double oven there with the separate stovetop. Standard will come with just a basic oven, so the oven and stovetop all in one piece, if you know what I mean. This particular kitchen has quartz countertops. It will come with granite. You can upgrade however you see fit to whatever type of granite you'd like, different noses, whatever you like. 30-inch cabinets in here. You can upgrade that to a little bit larger, include a cabinet above the refrigerator if you'd like. Also, this particular house has laminate flooring on the base floor. You're going to get carpet throughout the home with the exception of the entry, the bathrooms, the kitchen, and the laundry room, basically the wet areas. There's the garage. It is a 2-car garage. We'll take a quick peek out there here shortly. We're going to come around over to this bedroom here. Standard, it will come with a den. So where that closet is, there will be a wall and there will be a door that opens up into a den. So this house is built out with a basically like a base floor master bedroom, which is really, really nice to have if you choose to live on the base floor, or if you have guests staying over, it's a nice option. This is a full bathroom, so you do have that tub shower combo, single vanity. All the bathrooms will have granite in it as well. They did quartz in here. Popping back out over here, we're gonna take a look into the garage now. All these homes do come with a tankless water heater. This particular house has an option to have either more storage, or you could also do a tandem, basically like a third parking spot in this garage. So that's a nice option to have to customize this home based on your needs. Get another glance over this great room over here. Truly is a beautiful home. They did a really good job designing this particular house and this model. There's going to be some storage underneath the stairs over here. It does wrap around underneath, so you have a little bit of extra storage. I like to put like holiday type stuff on there. Just really nice to have. Coming upstairs, you're immediately greeted into the loft area. This is a nice family area. This is a very bright home too. You have a lot of windows, which is letting in a lot of that natural light. What do you guys think of that first floor? Let me know in the comments below. Also, if you're finding value out of this video, finding it informative or just entertaining, make sure you give it a thumbs up. It really helps out a lot. Thank you. Upstairs here, you're gonna find carpets. They use Shaw carpeting. It's gonna be with a 5-pound pad underneath. You have an option of different colors at the design studio. If you prefer to upgrade to tile or laminate or a higher grade carpet, you're more than welcome to. There's a master bedroom. They built that out with the double door. That's an option at the design studio. We'll take a closer look in there shortly. Here's another bathroom here. There's a full bathroom. And then off to the right here, you got the laundry room. We're gonna go in that bedroom here in just a second as well. You have an option of cabinetry to put in above the washer dryer there. Be nice maybe to have a sink over there to have maybe like a little wash station for the pets. These bedrooms are all about 10 by 10. One thing that's really nice about this home is all the bedrooms have walk-in closets. Kind of going over the HOA real quick. It's going to be $40 a month. There is no SID lid in this neighborhood. The HOA includes the gate and maintenance of the common areas and the streets. There's another bedroom here. Love all the pineapples in this room. The paint that they use is Sherwin-Williams paint. It is a low VOC and an alabaster color. You probably have a few different choices at the design studio for that. Myself, I usually just go simple because I like to paint all my rooms different. So I don't know. What do you guys like to do? Let me know. There's a nice sized linen closet here. This home is built for a larger family, so having that bigger linen closet is nice to have. Flipping back around here, we're going to go into this bedroom. This one in particular, you can convert into another master. That's an amazing feature to have. If you have a larger family, maybe 2 families living in a home, that is such an amazing feature. Basically, this closet here will turn into a bathroom, and then off that bathroom will be the walk-in closet. It does shorten up a few other things around the area. The walk-in closet in the master bathroom will be a little bit smaller to accommodate the closet for the first bedroom we saw. Coming into the master bedroom here, it is a really nice sized master. I would guess it was about 15 by 15, maybe 15 by 17. It is really, really nice sized. The molding in this home, you could definitely upgrade that at the design studio if you choose to. It will come with 3.5-inch molding if I didn't say that already. Do you like those barn style doors? I think they're pretty cool. Here's that walk-in closet. The way they have it built out is really deep. Check this out. Take a second and imagine if you had California Closets come out and redesign this closet for you. Imagine what they could do. Coming into the primary bathroom here, you have a lot of options in here as well. They have it built out as a shower with a seat. You can do a tub shower combo. You can do separate tub shower. You could have a private water closet, which we're looking at right now, which is the private water closet. There's a linen closet in here. There's so many different design options here. It will come standard with the dual vanity there, with the quartz countertops as an upgrade. Remember, it will come with granite. Get a better look here real quick at this shower. Alrighty guys, that about wraps it up for this tour. Did you get the square footage right? It was 3,066 square feet. Did you think it felt that size? Did you think it felt smaller? Bigger? Let me know in the comments below what you thought. And hey guys, if you're interested in touring anything specific around the Las Vegas Valley, feel free to let me know in the comments below. I'll be happy to schedule that tour, and hey, maybe you can come along with me and I could feature you in my next video as well. But if you're interested in scheduling a private tour of something around the Las Vegas Valley, I'd be happy to set that up for you. My information is in the description below. Just give me a call, text me, however you see fit. If you found this tour helpful and enjoyable, make sure you give the video a thumbs up. It definitely helps out a lot. And if you enjoy content like this, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification so you don't miss a single beat when I upload new content on Fridays. And that'll about wrap it up for this video. I appreciate you guys stopping by and touring with me. We'll see you guys in the next one. Later.